Y'all, it is so hot, but we just got to Montana. I have not been here since last year. And I gotta see where my vending machine is because I know they did move. Content creator, y'all. I just love this little gadget right here. It attaches to literally everything. Hopefully y'all can see my screen because I got a privacy screen. So we are about to stock these lashes up. I forgot that I had even left lashes in here as well. So y'all can at least see me. Even though y'all don't see everything, I do have my tripod. I'm about to get it out of my suitcase. So we just put in the lashes in the machine, you guys. Stocking her. I'll try another angle. Let's see if this angle will work. Okay, it might. It might. Maybe not, y'all. When I tell y'all, I am so mad because like y'all know, with everything that I do with business, I gotta literally teach myself. And when it comes to the vending machines, I didn't know that I had to reset the machine every time I come to stock it to replenish the stock. So that kind of hindered me from getting a lot of sales because I forgot to do that last time I came. But I'm glad they were still shopping though. Like you had to kind of do process of elimination because it would say like you see the stuff in the slot, but when you press it, it would say it's empty because I didn't replenish it when I stocked up last time. Okay. So let's try to stock up. Y'all, I'm so hungry. All I ate was what I had at the Delta Lounge earlier. Hey y'all, she is stocked. I ended up switching out, I don't even know if y'all could tell, but I switched out some of the lashes with the I Tasty on the boxes because I had a lot of those. So I just swapped out which ones I could and it is working now. Okay. And this machine takes cash and card, Apple Pay, all of that. Okay. My vending machine vendor is the GOAT. And like I always tell y'all, if you are getting a vending machine, make sure you have your QR code on there so that way they can check out your other platforms, websites, and all of those different things. Now we are at the hotel. When I tell y'all, I am so stuffed. Like, I am so stuffed. I am so full. I'm ready to take a nap, but I'm about to take a shower. I do have leftovers to eat. And what's crazy, you guys, is I was going to do a turnaround trip because my flight was this morning at 7-ish, left at 8. And there's a flight leaving today at 7. So I was going to do basically a turnaround trip because right now, where's my phone? Right now it's currently 3:40. So I definitely would have made the 7 p.m. flight, but I didn't want to risk it because y'all, all last year, all this year, all the flights I've been getting on, it was some type of delay. Like today was the first time there was no type of flight delay. And I was like, I'm not about to risk it because what if the flight ends up delaying and I don't get to make it to the mall in time and then that F's me up with my second flight. So I was like, you know what? Let's just go back the next day and just do a quick little, 24-hour trip, y'all. It's really less than 24 hours because my flight tomorrow, y'all, leaves at 5:40 a.m., which means boarding. Where's my phone? Because this is my business phone. Y'all, I don't know what I do with my phone, but my flight boards at, I want to say 4. My phone is over here in my sweater pocket. So now let me check. It's kind of hot in here. I need to put the air on. So my flight tomorrow morning, my phone about to die, boards at 5 a.m. y'all. So I set alarms for 3:30-ish, but I'm only like 10 minutes from the airport. That's why I chose this hotel, so I'm very, very close. So that way when I get up, it's literally 10 minutes to the airport. The thing about the Montana airport, the Missoula, I don't know if that's how you say it, the airport here is just one terminal. Like, all the airlines is just in one terminal versus like with Dallas and, you know, other states is like terminal A, B, C, D, E for this airline. This airline is literally just one terminal, all the airlines, and it's one security line. They don't have Clear. They don't have a Delta Lounge. So I'm very much going to be starving because this hotel does have the breakfast, but it starts at 6. I'm not going to be here. So yeah, y'all. Yeah. But y'all, when I tell y'all I'm glad I got everything done, I'm exhausted, y'all. Now I got all this cash in here I got to organize. Because, you know, my machine takes cash and card. I gotta come organize all this cash that's all up in my bag. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, a little behind the scenes of a vending machine owner with out-of-state vending machines. We came to my Montana location, you guys. I've had the Montana location here for a year and 6 months, and the story behind my Montana location is the leasing manager actually found me on Instagram, and she reached out to me and told me to bring my machine here, and I decided to bring it here. I came here, I did vlog it, so y'all could go back and watch the previous vlog from when I did bring it here. And since then, this is my 3rd time in Montana. The first time when I came last June, and then now. So now, my 3rd time. Next time when I come to Montana, I definitely want to come and actually explore, even though everybody I keep conversating with keeps saying like there's nothing to do here. If you are from Montana and you're watching this, let me know in the comments where to go, what to do, etc, 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 etc. But I'm so glad I came to check my vending machine, y'all. I gotta go check my other vending machines. Life of a vending machine owner, life of a serial entrepreneur. I'm probably gonna, I hope you guys are proud of me, okay? I hope you guys like, comment, and all those things, and y'all are proud of me for actually sitting here and vlogging for y'all, because I told y'all I've been feeling very unmotivated. I don't want to pick up my camera. I don't, even on my camera, I bought it strictly for this, my MacBook. I bought a whole new MacBook last year because the MacBook I had it since college, and it wasn't allowing me to download, like, upload content. I had to buy a new MacBook, so it's like I'm not even utilizing the stuff that I bought. So we gotta get through this. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want. I don't know why I sound out of breath. And this is apple juice, y'all. Comment if you're team orange juice or team apple juice. I've always been team apple juice, but I can't even drink orange juice no more if I wanted to because it flares up my eczema. So I found out as an adult that I'm technically allergic to orange juice. There have been times where I have snuck and drunk it, and I deal with the effects after the fact. So we don't do that. We're gonna sip our little apple juice. But I will be vlogging for you guys tomorrow because DHL shipments came in. We got orders to ship out. So tomorrow I will be back in Dallas at my parents' house. So stay tuned and let me know, what other content you guys want to see from me. Don't forget, y'all, I am rebranding my business. I'm starting my business over from scratch. And the rebrand is 6/25, which is my birthday. Cancer gang, gang, gang. If you are a Cancer, comment your birthday in the comments. And what should I have you guys comment? If you are a true supporter and you watch this video all the way to this point, comment what is your favorite type of juice. My favorite kind of juice is cranberry juice. I love cranberry juice. Cranberry juice tastes good with liquor. It tastes good by itself. Cran apple, cran mango, cran pineapple, cran watermelon. I'm a cranberry girl. So comment what is your favorite type of juice so I know that you're a true supporter. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to check out my other vlogs. Your girl is about to shower. Your girl is about to sleep, even though it's only 3:46 in the afternoon. I'm probably gonna eat. Is there a, I don't think there's a fridge in here. There's not a microwave, but I could go downstairs to go warm up my food. But your girl's about to sign out. I'll see y'all on the next video.